Clearing your search history on Google Photos can help maintain your privacy and declutter your search suggestions. Follow these steps to easily remove your search history. Step 1. Open Google Photos. Launch the Google Photos app on your mobile device or visit the Google Photos website on your computer. Step 2. Access Search. Navigate to the Search tab located at the bottom of the app or on the left sidebar of the website. This is where your recent searches are displayed. Step 3. View Recent Searches. Scroll down to find the Recent Searches section. Here, you will see a list of your previous search queries. Step 4. Clear individual searches. To remove a specific search, tap the X next to the search term you want to delete. This will remove that particular entry from your search history. Step 5. Clear all search history. If you want to clear all your search history, look for the option that says Clear All or Clear Search History and confirm your choice when prompted. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and clear your search history in Google Photos. Regularly clearing your history can help keep your account organized and private.